So when we think of opposite, right, opposite operations, right, we get something like plus and minus or multiplication and division, right? These are some examples. So why might we think that squaring something, so a number squared, right, is the opposite operation of a number square rooted? Okay, we could think of this as this way, right? When we have 2, right, if we add 2, subtracting 2 cancels the effect of the addition of 2. That's why they're opposite operations. Same for the multiplication. If I multiply a number by 2, but I divide by 2 afterwards, this cancels the effects of the multiplication. Okay, so if I have a number, let's say 2 squared, right, what this does, right, this gives me 4, right? But square rooting this number, right, in a way, what it does is it cancels out the squared here, right? Because the square root of 4 we know is going to be 2. Okay, so this is why square roots and squaring a number are opposite operations, or at least you can think of it that way.